Alright, so we're at the workshop and we're going to make a beehive using these materials. And I can't take it when we're constructing it, but I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, alright, so we've done our base. This is the base of the hive. And I've also done frames, see, and the whole box too. Pretty cool. And we've also waxed this plastic frames with this foundation. And I did this box too, and I'm going to put it together. Okay, so I've put this wooden frames with wax foundation at the bottom, and then I'll put in the queen excluder. These are all provided by land-based training, part of the course. And then I'm going to put on top this plastic foundation. Okay, so I've put it all together. And now for the mat on top and the lid. Just the final touch. There you go, the mat, and this is the lid. There you go. And all I have to do now is just put a tie on it. This is the final product. Yay! We've finished. I have made a beehive. Whee! You guys should take this workshop. There's a lot that can be learned, and it's so cool. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button for me. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time.